The Source visited recently with Jill Randall, the Director of Emergency Health, and learned that while Niagara Health plays a prominent role, they also work alongside several agencies to provide health care in Niagara.
We are one solution, so we can't work in isolation. I always quip with my children and my family, it takes a village, and really healthcare in Niagara, it takes a village. So we are an important provider, but we're only one part of the solution. There are so many other partners who help us and most importantly help patients navigate their healthcare concerns. We can't effectively deliver programs or services without partners.
The Know Your Options campaign was developed to inform Niagara residents about the numerous healthcare options that are available.
In a non-emergency situation, it's really best to connect with your community providers. The community provider often has the most long-standing relationship with you. That team functions as your navigator, as your advocator, as your coordinator, and really your cheerleader. And this is really important for us, especially those of us who deal with chronic health care issues. Citizens can also call telehealth for advice and information from a registered nurse 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We're also really lucky to have a number of walk-in clinics available in the Niagara community. Always, though, we want to remind our citizens, please call 911 if you believe your life or someone else's life or limb is in jeopardy. And if in doubt, always call 911.
Calling 211 on your phone is another way you can access healthcare information in Niagara. Another 24/7 option at your disposal is the Niagara Health website that lists key information as well as emergency room wait times.
We started this campaign to partner with the most important person to our providers, our program, and our organization, and that's our patients and their families and the citizens of Niagara. We have the privilege of providing high-quality clinical care to citizens who present to our facility, but we also take our responsibility to educate, inform, counsel, and advocate really seriously. Our goal is to empower Niagara residents by providing them information so that they can make the best choice regarding their healthcare needs.
Prevention is another important aspect that Niagara Health continues to advocate. As we found out, there are a number of common sense steps we can all take that can help keep us healthy.
The flu shot does help in many ways. It protects you from getting infected with the influenza virus. It also helps protect the people around you, and I think that's important as well. If you do get the infection, despite the fact that you were vaccinated, we know that having the influenza vaccine actually protects you from getting severe infection. So that will prevent you from needing hospitalization. So these are all reasons why we still say, even though the influenza vaccine is not 100% effective, is to still get it every single year.
Beyond the flu shot, what are some other healthy practices we should engage in on a day-to-day basis?
So there's a lot of day-to-day measures that you can take to prevent yourself from getting sick. And that includes things like washing your hands. In addition to that, avoiding touching your face. So that includes your eyes, your nose, your mouth, because this is actually the way that you can get germs like the influenza virus. In addition to, the virus can actually live on hard surfaces. So at home, make sure that you clean surfaces that are touched frequently. So this includes things like your telephone, keyboards, doorknobs, light switches. Clean those and disinfect them regularly. When you're sick, make sure that you stay home to ensure that you don't transmit the infection to others at work or at school. And at all times, if your loved ones, your family members are sick, make sure that you avoid close contact with them, because again, that's how the influenza virus can be transmitted, through close contact.
Stay healthy, Niagara, and when you need healthcare services, visit the Niagara Health website to find out which option is best for you. In Niagara, you're watching The Source.